Hello everyone, want to use ChatGPT for free? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT without spending a dime. Let's dive in. First, open your ChatGPT app. If you don't have an account, don't worry, signing up is free and easy. If you are new, click sign up and use your email, Google or Microsoft account. Already have an account? Just log in. If you want a detailed guide on how to sign up or log in ChatGPT, you can comment below. ChatGPT offers a free plan and a paid plus plan. Stick to the free version for now. It's great for everyday use. Now, just type your question or request in the chat box and hit enter. You can ask about study tips, coding help, or even fun fact. Want better answers? Be specific. For example, instead of tell me about history, try summarize World War II in 5 points. And that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT for free. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, subscribe, and comment below your favorite ChatGPT trick. See you in the next one.